So let us welcome the Superman, superhero, Iron Man.
Let's begin this first game. Knight of tea. I will develop the pieces. I don't know much about chess, but I know endgame very well. And in the endgame, I'll play pretty well this time. Let's see. Oh, he gives up the piece. That's not right, buddy. You're not supposed to do that, mate. Yeah, he gives me everything. Every single check is allowed to me. Yeah, that's it. Soon the position is going to collapse. I'm playing 30 seconds. I'm very fast. Yeah, it's a checkmate, man. What I see. Second round is begun. I'm playing a 1600. Come on, start the game. Yes, this clock has started. Let us develop the knight. Position is very solid. I play very solid. Oh, he gives up a pawn. The knight is gone. Now my two bishops are fighting in the center. Let's activate the knight. Bring it back. Oh, he gives a piece. You're not supposed to do it, mate. Now the position is under control. We will win this, hopefully. These opponents are too easy and too slow. It's a checkmate now. Queen g2 pre-move, and yes, we have won the second round as well. There are 15 rounds and I'll try to win each and every game. Let's try to win this tournament entirely. Let's see what happens as we move further. We are waiting for the third round to begin. Let's see whether all the games are over. Yes, all the games are over. Third round is about to begin. Let's see what we do in the third round. Yes, it is third round. E4, the clock will start after 10 seconds. So we have just moved our pawn, and yes, trying to play my favorite wing gambit attack. Sooner the opponent will. Oh, he's playing good actually. I messed up in the opening, but yeah, now he gave me a chance to come back. Let's see. Let's ensure the king's safety first. Just play fast. You can see I'm having 20 seconds on my clock. Oh my god. Doesn't matter. Oh my god, I didn't see that coming. You should take my powers of superhero, man. Yes, now I have a winning position immediately. Don't know why. Oh, he's giving up so many things. Oh, I gave up my... What I'm playing, man. Now I have to flag him. That's the only thing. I have to flag him now. Immediately. I have to flag him. Oh my god. Can we do this? Can we do this? Superpowers are coming up. Superpowers. Yes. Superpowers are always used when you have few seconds left on the clock. Let's see whether third round is over. Let's play the fourth game. Try to win this as well. I don't like losing, man. Let's play fast. These opponents are too weak, too slow for me. Giving a big diagonal to me. Oh, he messed up. He gave me a piece. What is this? Oh, that's not working, man. Now he's trying to flag me. I don't mind flagging, man. Queen blunder. That's what I said in the beginning. Superpowers are used by superheroes only. Don't try to mess with me. Now the game is pretty easy. We will win this one as well, I think. Yes. Oh yeah, we won on time, but position-wise also it was winning. Let's wait for the next round to begin. To crush everyone. Now, let's start with another game. Center counter, I like that, man. Ouch. The opening is very nice for me. Oh, he did not castle. I don't know why he played that. But now everything is hanging. What? What? What did he play? He gave me everything. Free. We are going to win this. Guys, hit the like button if you are liking the videos made by this guy, Intelligent Bishop. I'm playing for him today. I don't know, my friend will play in the next video. Probably one of the other superheroes will be joining in the next video. Let's see. We are winning this game. Just fixing up the pawn structure, bringing the king. Now it will be a checkmate soon. Making the queen now. Oh, he's trying to make a queen. Oh, we are losing on time. We are losing on time. I won't let this happen. Let's try to make a quick draw. Fast, very fast. Very fast. Yes, it's a draw. Oh my god, I lost my control over the game.